way to the ground to see how it's flying. Ooh! Wow! Yes, cool. And again. Wow! Wow! And fly it again. Wow! After it really hard. Wow! This flies so. Hopefully it will fly well. Check it out. Wow! Awesome. Oh my god! Airplane up and thread up at 30 to 45 degrees slightly. Wow, it glides very well. So check it again. Look at this. This is terrible, right? Look at the wings. It's just a terrible shape, but actually it is a very nice one. You see, it looks like a bird, right? It's the legs. So let me throw it up. Wow! Wow! Awesome. So let's test out this paper airplane, guys. Hi guys, welcome to TriKdanG's channel. And today let's test out a new paper airplane. This is my newest design, and I'm very happy with the outcome. This is a very unique shape, right? Take a look at it on the top here. This looks so nice. And what's the cool thing about this plane is it can fly for a distance. But keep in mind, this is not a plane for contest. It's just check out this paper airplane. Wow, very cool. Flies very high. Wow! And the cool thing about this plane is when I throw it up high, it goes down and it keeps flying. Wow! Cool! So let's try again. Wow! Wow! Guys, this is a very cool plane. Wow! I have never seen any plane that flies that far. Swallow X, my new design based on the swallow. So check it out. Let me throw it now. Wow, you see that? It flies very well. One more time, the last time. Wow. So hold the plane right here and thread up at 30 to 45 degrees. Show you guys one of the best paper airplanes ever. This is not a long distance paper airplane, but it flies very well, especially for a unique design like this. So check out the paper airplane. Check it out. Really cool, right? So let me hold and pick up the paper airplane. Wow, this flies very far. Wow.